Today we're going to make a classic, sole meunière. Sole basted and served with brown butter. It takes a little bit of effort, but it's definitely worth it. Sole, butter, lemon, and flour. That's all you need. Let's begin. The first step is to remove the skin. Make a small incision at the base of the tail. Use one hand to hold down the tail and the other hand to pull the skin away from the flesh. Repeat this step on the other side. Now we're going to remove the outer fins. Just cut them off like this. Now on the underside of the fish, make a small cut right here and take out the innards. Next, remove the head like this, although you can keep the head if you wish. Next, make sure your sole is dry, and we're going to give it a light dusting of flour, tap off any excess. Now a hot pan with about 3 tablespoons of neutral oil. Today I'm using canola oil. So we're going to give the fish some color, and then we're going to finish it off with some brown butter. Once you have a little bit of color, turn the fish like that. So now we're going to add some butter. And once the butter melts, we're going to baste. So you want to baste away from you, and try and aim the butter towards the thicker side of the fish. So basting a fish this size will be about 3 to 5 minutes, and make sure you have a nice color on each side of the fish. Once your fish is cooked, you can put it directly on the plate, and we're going to finish the sauce. So I'm going to add about a tablespoon of lemon juice, and then pass that through a sieve. Now I'm just adding some garnish, a little bit of green salad here, lemon. You can serve this with some potatoes or vegetables, anything you want really. And we're going to keep the sauce on the side until we're ready to serve. And then right at the last minute, just drizzle it all over the sole. And there you are, sole meunière. This classic dish never goes out of style. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you'd like to see further recipes and techniques, please like and subscribe. Happy cooking!